So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tradineering, an engineer who trades. Also here we are going to learn things, make mistake and learn from them, and excel from being a novice trader to a consistent profitable trader. That is my aim for this channel. Let's see how it goes. So this in this video I am gonna be talking about my trades which I took today. Today is 24th August, and the watch list which I gave for today yesterday which I gave yesterday for today, उसके बारे में we will do some analysis कि कितना सही था कितना गलत and कितने levels कितने targets hit हुए. Starting from today we'll start by looking at my trades of today. Today the trade of the day is Reliance, where I caught 6.3 rupees move, and as I am trading on very small quantity, due to which I am, so obviously profits will be less, but currently I'm not focusing on profits. I'm just focusing on the PNL. Sorry, I'm not focusing on the profits. I'm focusing on the percentage thing. I was disturbed due to the call, that's why. So yeah, distracted due to the call. So yeah, let's start. आज का I took the Reliance trade because आज का पहली बात major sentiment was downtrend on Reliance, and this was a major support, and I was looking for the price to break this support. As it broke this support, I entered here only on this candle broke the support, and I entered here on the yellow line, which is 2076.97. I entered there, like somewhere around there. Just a second. किधर है? 2076.95 को I entered only one quantity, and then it tanked. This was my target, and fortunately, or I don't know what की मैंने ये target रखा है, and I exited here, and it didn't even go beneath that. मतलब I caught the whole move, you can say that. So yeah, I exited on this arrow, which is this candle right here, and I shorted over here. So yeah, this was one of my trades of today. Talking about the second trade which I made, which was also blue trade, sorry, green trade, what I'm saying, man. It was made in किसमें बना किसमें था? Indus India Bank. Indus India Bank wasn't in my watch list, neither was Reliance, but when I saw it was in a good level, so I did trade in it. So talking about Indus India Bank, I entered over here. क्या देख के I'll tell you, but I entered over here at 523, and I exited over here, which is 527. I had my target set here, but as I had some work, I had to go urgently. That's why I exited here. जब तक मैं present था तब तक I exited. नहीं तो I wasn't there to see the move. That's why I didn't. That's why I didn't hold. I did exit the trade. I exited my position. Talking about why I took the trade is that ये level was a major resistance. So it got rejected here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and यहाँ भी शायद से no 6, 7. इतने times it got rejected. So I knew for a fact. Also, it was forming a ascending triangle. So I knew for a fact that it is going to break this. So I took the trade, and yeah, my profits were hit. Like whatever I wanted, the targets were hit. Also, yeah, so a good trade. I took total three trades today, and this is the third one. This is the third one. Talking about Cipla, this was a red trade. The reason this so yeah, this was in my watch list, and yeah, this is where we start for the watch list का analysis. So this was my watch list which I plotted. मैंने बोला था कि like अपना रहता है वैसे कि if it crosses the blue line which is above, this is the reaction level जहाँ पे हमें react करना है. So if it crosses this, we'll go long. If it crosses the blue one, we'll go short. So yeah, as we had thought, it opened here. This is the 3 minute candle frame. This is the 24th day, which is today, 24th August. So it tanked. It hit our first target. I didn't enter this trade because I wasn't available at this time. But yeah, when I opened the charts, it was around this. Yeah, this was there. So it hit our first target, it hit our second target also. This was our third target, it didn't hit it. So yeah, two targets were complete. So watchlist का थोड़ा समाधान मिला कि these targets were hit. So after that, I opened the chart somewhere here. So I thought कि इतना टाइम सेल रैली है, so I thought कि this will also get hit. That's why I shorted over here on the 550 753 level. But unfortunately, I didn't analyze. I analyzed it now that if you look at these candles, you can see that the sellers are weak here, and I thought that this can be a like क्या बोलते हैं retest, but it wasn't a retest. It just reversed. So yeah, that was the case. So this was here was my stop loss. So it got hit, and जो हमारे targets थे, two of them got hit. And yeah, this was about Cipla. So this was my only red trade, as you can see in my positions and positions. Yeah, this was three trades. ITC ka I took a holding, so that isn't my thing. I took 4.5 quantities more for holding. So yeah, that is the scene. Talking about India Bulls, this was our watch list, and what happened is it opened. ये हमारे blue level to react. It opened here, and it did hit our mini level and our first target. Mini level is plotted by this, and by the way, I am going to uh, make a watch list for tomorrow in some time, so वो भी online upload हो जाएगी. And it did hit our first target. इसके ऊपर के targets थे, but it didn't hit it. It got reversed, and then these were the levels which were looking at. After this, we could short, but it didn't cross this. So if we would have shorted it here, then we could have caught this. We could have been profited by this small move, but yeah, we would have to exit it here. This is about India Bull. और कौन सा है टॉकिंग अबाउट बायोकॉन का आज कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ यहाँ से इट गॉट रिजेक्टेड फ्रॉम दिस लेवल नहीं दैट्स व्हाई वी डिडंट गो लॉन्ग वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग टू गो शॉर्ट बट या द जो ये हमारे दो लेवल्स थे बाय द वे गाइस जो भी बाकी के जो मैंने अभी लेवल प्लॉट किए हैं वो दे आर लाइक अ राउंड ऑफ लेवल समझ लो कल मेरा लेवल रहेगा कल जो मेरा वॉच लिस्ट के वीडियो था उसमें 392.6 4 रहेगा या 6 9 रहेगा जो पॉइंट पैसे का कुछ तो पॉइंट 0.0105 पैसे का कुछ तो डिफरेंस है क्योंकि मेरे चार्ट्स चले गए थे एज ऑलवेज and I just plotted these levels so that you can get an idea and we can get an idea of the overall trade. So yeah, if you would have entered here we could have got this but main अपना idea था कि इसके बाद short करने का and we got to know that sellers weren't in that control after this at this point so we couldn't short it and this was the target. So yeah, Biocon भी हो गया and talking about Shriram Transport which is the last thing I guess Biocon सिप्ला भी हो गया है या एबुल भी हो गया. Shriram Transport का भी same scene. This was the level where we were going to go long. This is where we were going to go short. But yeah, this was the target. It did tank, but it didn't hit our targets. So yeah, this was the case for Shriram Transport. Today was a good day. I made like I got. I didn't calculate the return of investment. I'll have to do it now. But Reliance में I caught 6 points, which is good for me. क्वांटिटी का छोड़ देते बिकॉज लाइक आई टोल्ड यू आई एम साइज डाउन आई हैव साइज डाउन वेरी मच एंड रिलायंस हो गया देन सिप्ला का वाज अ लॉस एंड टोटल 4 रुपीज़ का लॉस हुआ एंड इंडस इंडिया बैंक वाज अ गुड ट्रेड आई कुड हैव कॉट मेरे वेरी मच बट yeah I had to leave I couldn't catch it. So yeah, this was the trades for today and the analysis for today. Hope you like it. And बस और कुछ भी comments रहेगी constructive from which we can grow ourselves then please do share. Thank you. Thanks a lot.